Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. If you happen to be new here to my channel, I'm Christy, and I'm so glad that you stopped by today. Now, who does not love biscuits and gravy? I love any kind of gravy. Well, the gravy that I'm making today is a chocolate gravy. That's right, you heard me, chocolate gravy. This is so delicious. It's sinful, really. Served over warm biscuits is just divine. I mean, could you eat this for breakfast? I say sure, go ahead. Have some chocolate gravy for breakfast or dessert. Any time of day, it's just fabulous. So I have all my ingredients out here on my counter to make this gravy. I'm just going to go over them with you as I make it, but the recipe will be in the description box below. I also have a video on the biscuits that I have here, which are my angel biscuits, and that video came out just prior to this one. So we got to get started because it's time to get cooking. All right, so to my cast iron skillet, I'm going to add a tablespoon of salted butter. All right, then I'm going to sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of flour. Two cups of milk. And just whisk, whisk, whisk. Anytime you're making gravy, if it looks lumpy, just keep whisking. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa. All right, so we're just going to keep whisking until this thickens. All right, I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. All right, so I'm cooking this on a medium heat. It has come up to a boil. I can tell that it has thickened. So that's all there is to it, guys. The gravy is done. Oh, guys, this chocolate gravy is so smooth and creamy and chocolatey. I cannot wait to have a bite. And I've got a warm biscuit. It doesn't get much better than this. All right, so the moment I have been waiting for. And this chocolate gravy would be good over ice cream, pound cake, you name it, toast. If you've never had it, don't knock it until you try it. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, guys, well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.